In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install BMW wheel spacers with hub century.
BMW wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the BMW E18A with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels application, cosmetic changes, and more. If you're worried about the spacers will cause vibration, recommend buying high-quality hub century wheel spacers. Installing the hub century wheel spacers can provide high stability. Bonus BMW wheel spacers have multi-stage hub century design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. A hub century wheel spacer comes with a hub century lips as a transition point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the hub century lip of the wheel spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacers within the hub century lips. Bonus hub century wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. As long as you choose the right hub century wheel spacers, there will be no problem. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub century design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the Bonus wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Besides, Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of Bonus BMW wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.